Hello, I'm in a 2007 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this reservoir here. This will be for your coolant. And on the side you can see a fill line. And you want to work on this system while it's cold typically. So the vehicle off and it's been cooled down, just because this is like a poisonous liquid that works under pressure and works sometimes to a boil. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you, as this is indicating. That said, also double check your owner's manual or good online source that the coolant you've got is the best fit for your make and model. Typically you want to match it to the same color of what's been used in your vehicle as well. But that said, just unscrew this cap, and then with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed until you're around the max line. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then at this point, once it's all tightened up, I would turn the vehicle on and run the coolant through the system, see if you can find any possible leaks under the lines, cracks in this reservoir, cracks in the radiator, which if there were, you typically see some puddling start to form somewhere in the engine bay or under the vehicle. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it, and you don't really want to touch it with your skin, but so you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.